Hi friends, welcome back to Art by Shri Pramada. Today we are going to do simple water candles with natural flavors. The very best idea during this pandemic to make simple candles with the natural fragrances which are available at home. So why late? Let's start. For this I am taking 3 sizes of glasses, one small, one medium size and one bigger. So I am taking water in that to 80% of the glass. These are some polythene papers. And this is the thread which I am going to use for lighting. I am going to take lemongrass, cinnamon sticks and oranges for natural smell. Here I am taking a drop of lemon yellow food color, but it is purely optional. If you have, you can use it, or else you can skip it. I made a mix of the color and I am putting the lemongrass, which I have cut into small pieces, into the glass of the water. Now here I am taking the polythene cover and checking the width of the glass, and I am cutting it into a circle which goes little inside into the glass and stays on the water. Now I am making a small hole in the middle of the polythene, from which I can put the thread into it. Now I am taking a tablespoon of oil. Here I am using the Deepam oil, which I use for the lightening the diyas of God. You can use any cooking oil also. I am just putting one layer on the top. Anyways, the oil will float on the water. Here I am making the thread wet with little oil on that. Now our candle is ready. Let's light it. Wow, it's looking great, right? And trust me, I can feel the natural fragrance of the lemongrass here. Now I am going to do one more candle with orange. The process is same. The only thing I am going to change is, instead of lemongrass, I am putting the orange slices into it. And the remaining process of making the cover, polythene cover, and inserting the thread into it and putting the oil on the top of the glass and inserting that cover into the glass, everything is same as before. So this is our orange candle with the natural fragrance of orange. If you want, you can also use some essential oils. You can just put some stones into it, some pebbles, some decorative items, into the water, and you can put some essential oil on the top of that and add the normal oil, and then you can light it. It's up to your wish. So here I am doing the cinnamon candle. Just showing the side view of the candle how I am making it. And the process is same as before. Here you can see one more candle in blue color. In this I have just used few pebbles, blue food color. The process is same. And for fragrance I have used a relaxing oil. I mean essential oil. So let's lighten up this Diwali with these beautiful diyas at home and homemade. Hope you all like these candles. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And please share with your friends and family who are interested in the art. Thank you so much. Thank you all once again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Art by Shri Pramada.